Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today we're going to talk about, I've just bought myself a dishwasher, I'm ready to install it, what do I need? The nice thing is, you don't need a whole lot of tools. You really don't. If you look, I've got 4 tools and Teflon tape is basically all you need. But what you should do, and I would highly recommend it, and that's people I think are going to, I use what's already on my machine. Okay, I'll explain why here in a second. Now, this is a standard basic dishwasher install kit. Now, some of your higher end dishwashers will have everything you need. Some of your lower end dishwashers won't have anything. This should cover 95% of all the dishwashers out there. So let me show you what's in here real quick. Okay. You've got a power cord, okay, which is, you've got one on there now. Well, I'll just reuse it. Well, no, I wouldn't recommend it. Second, you've got your water line hose. Now, if you look in here, see that little rubber gasket? Okay, it's on both sides. Okay, now what happens is this, okay, or we'll pretend this is your water line in your house. What happens is this is going to get screwed on there. Hot water is going to go through this. Okay, that rubber is going to become formed in a specific way. So when you take it off and then you put it back on, if the rubber doesn't meet this the correct way, it's going to leak. You've just bought yourself a problem. With a new one, you don't have to worry about that. Now, these days, dishwashers have 2 different types of connectors. One will actually have what looks like a normal water faucet. That is what this is for. This screws in, and then this will screw onto here to get your water. Some other ones actually have something that looks like this. Okay, that's actually a little hole that this will actually screw up into. Okay, and then this side goes on to here. Okay, and the reason I have this is wonderful for your garden hose. Okay, now if I'm having to use this, I forgot my little crescent wrench. I forgot my little crescent wrench. I have a little 6-inch crescent wrench that does wonders on this connection right here. Okay, yes, you can use the big channel, but it goes real nicely. Little 6-inch. Okay, plus the little 6-inch go out of here, and you can actually wrap that up. Okay, now lastly, Teflon tape. You really should have Teflon tape. Anytime you have metal to metal threading, you want to have Teflon tape, because what can happen is if these go on slightly cockeyed, okay, that's metal to metal. They're not meant to seed really well together. But if I put some Teflon tape on it, okay, it's real easy. Just kind of grab it, wrap it once. Okay. This is now, okay. Now, when I put this on this, okay, I'll use this one. I'm going to use this one. See, I've actually got something to fill any gaps that might be in there. I would always recommend using Teflon tape, okay. You can use, they have stuff called plumber's putty. Some people love it. I don't particularly care for it. Not saying it's bad, because it's not bad. I just don't care for it. I prefer Teflon tape. So, doing it yourself is real easy. Make sure you have the proper tools. Make sure you have the proper kits. You can take care of yourself in no time whatsoever. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And y'all come back next week for more wonderful information. Have a good week.